Hi, the given equation is a problem of exponents where you can see different bases 6, 9 and 2, and we have to solve and find the value of x. So how we are going to do? I am going to start with the right side of the equation. I am trying to split the power where we have the property that if powers are in addition, then I can write them as a to the power m into a to the power n. So how I can write two powers like 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 1 by applying this property. Then there is a power 2x. If we can see that this power 2x, so out of this what I can do, that 2 square will become 4 and x will be like that. We can write like that. So this will be 2 square is 4, x power is like that into 2, and here 6 to the power x plus 9 to the power x. In the next step, I would like that all the exponents terms should come on the left side and without exponent on the right side. So what I am doing next, I am dividing by 4 to the power x on both sides. So when I am dividing, I can write this as numerator, and in denominator there is 4 to the power x equals to 2, and here into 4 to the power x over 4 to the power x. In multiplication we can change their position, it hardly matters, right? They are commutative. So 4 to the power x got cancelled. On left hand side we can split the fractions. So this is 6 to the power x over 4 to the power x and 9 to the power x over 4 to the power x, and right side now we are having only 2. We know the exponent property that if powers are there, same powers are there on two different numbers, so I can write them as ab to the power m. So here I can see that power x is there, which is common for the fraction, so I can take them out common. So it will be like this, to the power x plus to the power x, and rest of the things will be same. So this will be 6 over 4, 9 over 4 equals to 2. Let's break down the numbers 6, 4 and 9, how I can simplify them. Let's see there. So when we move forward, so this will be by 4 to the power x plus 9 by 4 to the power x equals to 2. So what we are doing, we are breaking down the inside numbers into smaller numbers just for simplification, because we have to find value of x. So in place of 6 we are putting 2 times 3, 4 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3, and 4 is 2 times 2. Alright, so in the first bracket we can see that I can cancel out 2 there. So inside then I will have 3 by 2 to the power x. But here nothing is cancelled, but same thing as in multiplication. So I can write like this, 3 square over 2 square x equals to 2. So magically you can see that in the first bracket it is 3 by 2, and again you are getting 3 by 2 square. So we are having property for that if there is same power over the different numbers, so you can put them outside the bracket and they will be in multiplication 2 and x again. So how I can write this? This will be 3 by 2 and this will become square, and x is already there, so this will be twice x, and this is 3 by 2x. But somewhere I have simplified the given equation. Now the bases are the same of the exponent terms, but we are still not in a condition to find x right now. So what we can do here, assume u equals to 3 by 2 to the power x. So when we are putting 3 by 2 to the power x as u, so what will happen? This, in place of this term we will write u, and in place of this term we will write u. So what will left there? Power 2. Okay, so don't get confused for that. So when we are writing this step now, this will become u plus u square equals to 2. My goodness, this has converted into very easy equation. What kind of equation is this? Quadratic, yes. So u square plus u minus 2 equals to 0. We have shifted this 2 to the left side. Now try to find the factors. Product should be minus 2 and sum or difference should be 1. So which numbers I can think of? So if I'm taking 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, in between I want positive 1, so it will be 1 when 2 minus 1. So alright, 2 into minus 1. Yes, I'm getting the factors. So what we are going to do, in place of this positive u, we will put these factors. Okay, so let's put it quickly. So we got u equals to minus 2 and u equals to 1. Alright, now we will resubstitute the value whatever we have taken there. You remember what was u? U was 3 by 2 to the power x. So again we are resubstituting here. So this will be 3 by 2 to the power x equals to minus 2 and 3 by 2 to the power x equals to 1. Now we cannot get any value, a real value for this combination, because how we are going to handle with exponent and there is minus 2. So we will not get real solution for this equation. So we will reject this one and we will continue for the other one. So let's solve the other one. 3 by 2 to the power x equals to 1. Can I write in terms of 3 by 2 as 1? So yes, there is a property of exponent that any number to the power 0, its value is 1. So in place of this 1, we can put 3 by 2 to the power 0, and this is 3 by 2 to the power x. So great. Now you can see that bases are same, so we can equate their powers. So I get as x equals to 0 is the answer of the solution. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.